Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, located in Hyderabad, has earned an impressive 4.5 star rating from students on Shiksha.com. Let's take a closer look at this institute's BTech program, starting with its 4.5 rated placements. According to the NIRF 2024 report, out of the 1,134 BTech graduates in 2022-23, 923 secured placements while 202 opted for higher studies. The placement rate slightly declined compared to the previous year. Top recruiters include PayPal, Commvault, Oracle, Cisco, Darwinbox, Interactive Brokers, and Schneider Electric. Roles offered spanned from software engineer to data scientist. The highest package offered in 2024 was 34.4 lakh per annum, while the median package stood at 6 lakh per annum for 2022-23, remaining consistent with the previous year. However, when compared to Mahindra University, GRIET's median package is lower. Speaking of internships, students reported that 50% of them secured opportunities with companies such as JP Morgan, Cognizant, Regal Rexnord, ITC PSPD, and Colruyt Group. Moving on now to academics, where GRIT offers a 4-year BTech program with a 4.5 star rating. The program includes 8 specializations such as CSC in Data Science, CSC in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, and Computer Science and Business Systems. Admission is based on TS EAM-CET scores, with eligibility requiring passing marks in 10+2. For the 2024-25 EAM-CET closing cutoffs, competition has intensified for both boys and girls in Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Business Systems, Computer Science and Design, and Electronics and Communication Engineering. However, it has relaxed for boys in CSC and for girls in CSM compared to the 2023-24 cycle. The total fees for the 4-year duration is approximately 5.45 lakhs. There are various scholarships offered based on EAM-CET scores and the economic status of the family. Switching gears to the 4.5 star rated infrastructure. GRIET has a 24-acre Wi-Fi enabled campus with modern classrooms, a library, and various labs including computer, communication, and engineering labs. However, there are some concerns about the lack of on-campus hostels for boys, with a girls' hostel located off-campus. Transport services are available via 34 buses, and the campus offers a variety of sports facilities including cricket, football, and volleyball. Turning our attention to faculty and course rated 4.5 stars. GRIET's faculty is highly qualified, with many holding PhDs. While students appreciate the use of presentations and visualizations, some feel that the faculty relies too heavily on PPTs and could offer more detailed explanation. GRIET has partnered with organizations like NASSCOM, GHMC, NCC, the British Council, and CaratBread Technologies, providing students with industry exposure and research opportunities. It is also associated with IEEE, IETE, CSI, and ISTE. Additionally, GRIET offers programs like the Indo-US Science and Technology Forum and the Were2Be program, enabling students to pursue an 8-week research internship at the Were2Be School of Engineering in summer 2025. Now on to the 4.5 rated campus life. The university has over 15 student-run clubs including cultural, gaming, sports, and robotics. Students actively participate in the annual sports meet, cultural activities, and tech workshops. Lastly, Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, is ranked in the 101 to 150 band in the NIRF 2024 Engineering category, a position it has maintained for the past 3 years. For more details on Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.